Ist ziemlich kritisch. Kritisch.
Man, that was a hell of a ride, huh?
Jesus, Danny.
What? You ain't getting soft on them, are ya? Not after what they did to your friend.
You're back. What happened?
Handled it, Mama.
Ugh.
This isn't what Terry would have wanted.
Terry.
My husband. Miss him every day.
Then screw it up for everybody then, why don't you?
Oh, calm down, princess. I'll do it myself.
What's going on with them?
Dunno. Squabbling looks like. Lot of tension with y'all, huh?
Ja, das kann das sein, gar nicht. Ja, sie können doch einfach gar nicht.
Don't mind them. It's how they are. Each of them wants to be in charge, you know?
Well, it's probably just the hunger talking. We all get a little testy. We'll fix that shortly. And Lee, don't worry your head about them bandits. I'm sorry you've seen more violence than I'd have thought in your short time, but you all are safe here. Don't worry.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Don't want
Weißt du so, Mann, weil ja
to
offen,
Dinner
ey.
will be ready before you know it. And thank your friend Koch again for me. She and the kids are in the barn with the cow. That woman is a lifesaver.
Ja. Ich sag's jetzt gerade so raus, Mann. Ich trau diesen Leuten da nicht. Ich habe den Hut, Clementine, nur dass du es weißt. Pass auf. Ich bin Held, look. Ha. Also. Stand er noch da? Da, ey, du Psycho-Mann. Verschüsst einfach andere Frauen, ey.
Hello. Glad I got to use her today. My girl here.
Du scheinst noch auf der Zugang, ist ziemlich abgelegen hier. Ihr habt die Molkerei nur.
How do you run this place with just one cow?
Used to have more. They get hungry too. Or sick. Got your doctor friend here now, though.
You guys must trade for a lot of fuel to keep the generators running, right?
People get hungry, and a few loaves of bread fetch a high price. Y'all are luckier on this side of the deal now.
Du scheinst die Aufsätze zu mögen.
Like that gun.
What's not to like?
Nicht viel, schätze ich. Es ist nur eine Waffe.
Just kinda creepy, that's all.
Times like these, a 243 will keep you warmer at night than any lady I ever known.
Es ist ziemlich
You
abgelegen
guys
hier.
are pretty out in the sticks here.
Hard to find.
You get many visitors?
Not anymore. Bandits, of course.
Ja, look
Used to
them
get
alive.
these school kids on tours back before the dead time.
I'm gonna go wait for supper then.
It'll be a good one.
Ist ja creepy as hell. Also gehen wir in die Barn. Ich liebe es. Lauf mal, Leute. Nein, mal. Leck, schon eine Stunde am Aufnehmen. Also, es regnet sowieso das. Ja. Immer ein Game ist gut. So. Sup, bitch.
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's okay, go ahead.
Whoa. Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's this thing?
Salzstein.
Daddy said it's called a salt lick.
Yeah, but don't lick it. It's gross.
Did you lick it?
I don't know.
Ja. Hey, Andy, genau, habe ich noch vergessen.
Yeah.
Wie geht's der Kuh? Wann glaubst du, können wir essen? Ja.
When do you think, we might eat?
Hungry, huh? Don't worry. Mama's cooking up some good grub.
Wie geht's der
How's
Kuh?
the cow?
Well, better now we got Doc on the case.
Den und ich haben wir mal eine
You
Frage.
met this woman up in the woods. She seemed to know your brother.
Yeah, He probably talks a little more than he oughta.
Thanks.
Yep.
Have I missed anything?
No, not really. It smells funny in here.
Like shit, right, Lee?
Yeah.
Use swear words, okay?
Okay.
Ja, das habe ich einmal gesagt.
She looks skinny.
Was haben wir da rein? Ja, nicht viel. Fast nichts eigentlich. Ja. Hey, nochmal so ein Leckstein da. Haben wir einen Heuballen.
I want to play in the hay.
Just stay close to your mom for now.
Okay.
Ich spiele jetzt im Hey. Wuhu! Ja, einfach gespuckt. So. Hä? Aha. Das sind die Kisten, die wir gesehen haben.
Empty.
Well, gehen wir zurück. Yeah, was haben wir da? Tür.
You found it too, huh? Lee, they're hiding something behind this door. I got a quick look. They got boxes of stuff and something metal and sharp.
Don't get paranoid.
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. I got my whole family on this farm right now. How about you? What about Clem?
Ich wollte sie jedenfalls beschützen.
I'll protect her no matter what.
I know you will. Look, that guy with Katya, what's his name? He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely heard a noise back there, Lee.
What?
My point is, we gotta know for sure. So go find a hammer or something and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through. You smashed the lock. Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, Kenny.
All right, Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Ein Schloss, vielleicht.
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Well, you're, you know, urban?
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're saying.
I'm from Florida. Crazy shit just comes out of my mouth sometimes. Sorry.
Der Rassist.
See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and then replace it all again like nothing ever happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan. I'll hang around and keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny. Whatever.
Can I help you boys find something?
Kenny hat ein Geräusch gehört, ich sehe mich im Stall.
Just checking out the barn here. Never been to a dairy farm before.
Just don't roam around without me or Danny. The farm can be a dangerous place. You know, the bandits and all. Sorry about your friend. Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just, you know, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No problem. Right away, Doc.
Oh boy. Kleider.
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes. Ooh, smells pretty foul.
Jetzt langsam die Kleider von unserem Kollegen sind. Dort bin ich gerade drin gewesen. Ja, wach auf. Futtertrog.
It's a feeding trough.
Easy. Oh, da haben wir noch einen. Ich muss schon etwas schauen. Sorry. Grad haben wir das. Okay. Noch schnell müssen schauen. Muss nachher weitergehen. So! Easy, yo! Gehen wir wieder rein. Und tschüss.
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole place?
Oh, I managed just fine. Plus, I had my boys to help out. I couldn't do it without them.
Schau, der kleine Fettsack ist noch glücklich, dass er so ein Arschloch ist. Ja. Jetzt hole ich meine Flinte und verschiessen. Ja. Hat er sich einfach nicht gern. Ist ein kleiner Arsch. Und der wird schon noch bekommen, was er bekommt. Was er verdient.
We'll finish talking later.
You been getting along with Larry?
He's just a big old sweetheart, ain't he?
Don't know if I would have used those words exactly.
Don't judge, honey. This world is bringing out the worst in people. But if you really look, you'll catch a glimpse of humanity every now and then.
Wie geht das Marketing? Was bewahrt er im Stall? Ja, was ist im Stall?
What do y'all keep in the barn back there? Besides cows, I mean.
Well, someone's getting a little curious, aren't they?
I don't mean to pry.
It's nothing interesting, I can promise you that much. Just some odds and ends. Takes a lot to run a farm, you know.
How's
Get some
Mom
more.
doing in there?
Best patient I ever had. Oh, my boys get so much as a scratch and start hollering. He could definitely teach them a thing or two about being tough.
I'd still like to check on him.
You're gonna have to trust me on this, Lee. I've helped stitch my share of wounds. I know what I'm talking about.
We ran into some trouble out there.
I was just glad you two weren't hurt. Those bandits just don't know when to quit. But my boys, they can hold their own.
Der Junge ist total verrückt vom Fallen.
Your boy
Okay.
Danny is nuts.
No, that's not a very nice thing to say, Lee.
He seemed to enjoy this woman's death.
I'm sure he didn't. He is sensitive and willing to do whatever it takes to protect this place.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Kinda peaceful out here, ain't it? Enjoy it while you can. You'll probably start hearing those monsters frying against the fence before too long.